Good morning, students. Let us continue our tax classes. So we have seen some exemptions. So we see today 54 EC. So what is 54 EC? So in this we are saying that capital asset invested should be in specified assets. Whatever capital gain gets, the assessee gets, that he has to invest in specified assets or bonds that will be mentioned in the question. NABARD will be there. What are the assets that he has to invest? Means NABARD, National Highway Authority of India, Rural Electrical Corporation India Limited, National Housing and Small Industries Development Bank of India. So these are all are called as what? Small specified bonds. These are called as specified assets or specified bonds. So the assessee has to invest the money in the following assets or the following bonds. What are the bonds? NABARD, National Highway Authority of India, Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, National Housing Bank of and a Small Industries Development Bank of India. All this he has to invest. Okay, so how much is exemption? Exemption here we are having here, the exemption is least to the following two: actual amount invested and 50 lakhs. Whichever is least, that we have to give exemption. Okay, so we have a question here. We'll solve a question on this. So we have 3 questions on this, so we'll solve some questions. So his name is X purchased a building for 3 lakhs on August 31st 2003. On 1st October 2005 he spent rupees 80,000 to add 3 more rooms. See, he purchased the building in the year 2003 for 3 lakhs, and in 1st October 2005 he constructed 3 rooms for rupees 80,000. Okay, so this is cost of acquisition, this is 3 lakhs, this is cost of improvement. During the previous year, relevant to the current assessment year, the building is sold for 25 lakhs 26,000 to 6660. So he sold the building for 25 lakhs 26,660. He invested 2 lakhs in the specified bonds and within 3 months from the date of transfer. Okay, so he's invested in specified bond 2 lakhs. So he has given CII for 2003 and 4, 5 and 6 and 1920. So we'll do this problem. It's very easy. Same format. We know the format. So I have prepared the format and I have written heading also: computation of Mr. X income from capital gain for the AY 2020 and 2021. So first we'll write format. So we know we'll write here sale consideration, then we deduct transfer expenses, we get next net consideration. Okay, we'll write after index cost of acquisition, next we write index cost of improvement. Okay, next we write less exemption under section 54 EC. Okay, then we'll write here and we'll see later. So how much he sold the building for? 25 lakhs 26,000, 25 lakhs 26,000 660. There are no transfer expenses, we can write nil. Net consideration we are getting same, 25 lakhs 26,000 660. So index cost of improvement he purchased for 3 lakhs. So I am doing here calculation indexation 3 lakhs, and we know numerator is always 289. Okay, divided by we purchased in the year 2003. 2003 index is 109. 109. Okay, so 289, 3 lakhs into 289 divided by 109. So we are getting 7,95,412. We can take 413. 7,95,413 we can take. Next index cost of improvement we have to do is 80,000 into, so CII in the year of sale is always numerator 289 divided by in the year 2005-6 117. So 80,000 into 289 divided by 117. We're getting 1,97,606. 1,97,000 we can take 607. Okay, so sorry, here we have tried capital gain. So from 25 lakhs 26,660 you deduct 7,95,413 minus 1,97,607. So we are getting 15 lakhs 33,640. Okay, next exemption, Roman number 1, least of the following we have to write. Least of the following will be given as exemption. So what is exemption? We are saying amount invested. Okay, how much is amount invested? Amount invested is 2 lakhs. So we'll write amount invested. So it is 2 lakhs and max Maximum is how much in the question, in the format is saying 50 lakhs. So max is 50 lakhs. So which is least? Least is 2 lakhs. So from 15 lakhs, you deduct 33,640, you deduct 2 lakhs, you get 13 lakhs 33,640 taxable capital gain. Okay, so it's very easy. What we have to do, we have written the format. Sale consideration is given to 25 lakhs 26,660. Transfer expenses are nil. Net consideration we got 25 lakhs 26,660. We have done index cost of acquisition. We have purchased for 3 lakhs, and the numerator will be always 289. Denominator is in the year of purchase. Okay. Next, we got 7 lakh 95 450 13. Index cost of improvement, we have purchased we have done improvement for 80,000 in the year 2005 and 6. We have written numerator as 289 divided by 117, 1 lakh 97 607. So how much is capital gain? From 25 lakhs 26,660, if we deduct these two amounts, we get capital gain 15 lakh 33,640. Then least of the following will be considered as exemption. Amount invested is 2 lakhs, and max is 50 lakhs. This you have to remember, 50 lakhs. Amount invested will be given in the question. So 2 lakhs is exemption. So from 15 lakh 33,640, you deduct 2 lakhs, you will get 13 lakhs 33,640. That is taxable capital gain. Easy, it's very easy. So we'll do some more problems on this. Third one we'll do. Okay, it's 54 EC. You are required to calculate taxable capital gain when an assessee purchased a plot of land. When did he purchase? 2023 for 4,30,000. So CII is given 105, and for the year 2023. Okay, assessee sold this plot during 2019 for 15,20,000 and paid brokerage rupees 20,000. And he purchased NHA bond for rupees 2 lakhs and RECL bonds for rupees 1,15,000. So you have to find out capital gain. It's very easy, we'll find out. Okay, heading on all I'm not writing, please write headings. Okay, so same format, we'll write the format we know. What is the format? First we'll write sale consideration, then we deduct transfer expenses, then we write net consideration. Okay, then we do index cost of acquisition, okay, there is no improvement, I'm not writing, so we'll get capital gain. Okay, next we'll do exemption under section 54 EC. So least of the following is exemption. 1. Amount invested will be given in the question. Trauma number 2, max 50 lakhs. Then we get taxable capital gain. Okay, so how much is sold for this land, house property land? He sold this land for 15,20,000. He paid 20,000 as brokerage. See here, he said 20,000. So we'll write 20,000 as brokerage. So total net consideration is 15 lakhs. Index cost of acquisition, how much he purchased the land for? He purchased the land for 4,30,000 into 289 divided by CII is how much? 105. $4,30,000 into 289 divided by 105. You're getting 11 lakhs 83,000. Sorry. 4,30,000 into 289 divided by 105. 11 lakhs 83,523. 524 we can take. 11 lakhs 83,524 we can take. Okay, so when we deduct from 15 lakhs, we get 3 lakh 16,476 we can take. Okay, 3,60,000 50,476 we can take. So how much is amount invested in the question? He says the amount invested is 2 lakhs plus 1 lakh 15, 3 lakh 15,000 invested. 2 lakh plus 1 lakh 15, 3 lakh 15,000 he has invested. So 2 lakhs plus 3 lakhs is 3 lakh 15,000. 1 lakh 15,000. Total investment is 3 lakh 15,000. Max is 50 lakhs. So wait, so the exemption is 3 lakh 15,000. So from 3 lakh 16,476, 3 lakh 16,476, if you deduct 3 lakh 15,000, the 1417 tax has to be paid. Okay, in the textbook he says long-term capital is nil. No, he has to pay tax. See, from 15 lakhs 20, if you deduct transfer expenses 20,000, net consideration is how much? 15 lakhs. And cost of acquisition is 4 lakh 30 into 289 divided by 105. You do, you will get 11 lakhs 83,524. From 15 lakhs you deduct 11 lakh 83,524. You get 3 lakh 16,476. From that, how much is invested? 20 lakhs. 2 lakhs he has invested. One NHAI bonds 2 lakhs and RECL bonds 1 lakh 15,000. So 2 lakh plus 1 lakh 15, 3 lakh 15, max is 50 lakhs. Okay, so he has to pay 1476. The question is not taken amount invested, he has taken something else. I don't worry. Okay, so one more question is there, I want you to solve. Question number 7. See, this question I want you to solve. An SSC sells a house property for 36,25,000 on 2nd January 2020, which was originally purchased in 1994-1995 for 4,56,000. Okay, so this is before 2000-2001. So cost of indexation will be 100. Selling expenses is 3%. The 3% you have to take on sales. Okay, how did he sold? He constructed additional 36,25,000 into 3% you have to do. Selling expenses will get on this 36,25,000. He constructed 2 additional rooms for 7,75,000. This is cost of improvement. Invested 9 lakh rupees in NHAI bonds. Okay, required to calculate capital gain. Easy, you can do it. Okay, I want you to do this problem 54 easy. Last one more section is left over, 54F, that will solve and will wind up this chapter. Okay, chaliye.